Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Can you match up these numbers? Our topic today is about shopping for clothes. So look at the next slide to see all the vocab that we are going to use today. Okay, when you go for shopping, of course, after greetings, you have to say what you want or what you would like to have. So the polite way to say it is I would like to have. In French, we say je voudrais. Je voudrais. It means I would like to have. The shopkeeper, of course, is going to ask you about the color of the item that you want. So he's going to say, et quelle couleur? Et quelle couleur? And which color? The next question of the shopkeeper is going to be about the size. So he is going to ask you which size. In French, he will say, quelle taille? Quelle taille? In this case, you have different ways to answer. Of course, you can choose the size in number, and then you can say taille 40, it means size 40, or taille 30, size 30. Or you can just speak about the size in general, saying c'est petit, it's small. C'est moyen, it's average, like medium. C'est grand, it's big. Once you decide that you're going to buy an item, of course you will have to ask about the price. So to ask about the price in French, we say c'est combien, or you can say also ça coûte combien. Ça coûte combien. In this case, the shopkeeper is going to tell you the price, of course. So he is going to use almost the same verb that you are going to use to ask about the price. So he's going to say ça coûte, and then he will say the price. Here you have two examples of two different prices. So he may say ça coûte 18 euros, ça coûte 18 euros, or he can say ça coûte 10 euros, ça coûte 10 euros. It depends on the price, of course. So to ask about the price, we say ça coûte combien, and to answer, we say ça coûte, then the price in numbers. These are some of the expressions and sentences that you will use during shopping for clothes. So I want you to look carefully at these expressions and then go to the next slide and try to put the dialogue that you'll find there in the correct order.
Je voudrais une jupe violette, s'il vous plaît.
Je voudrais une chemise grise, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais un t-shirt bleu, s'il vous plaît.
Quelle taille?
Taille 40, s'il vous plaît.
Quelle taille?
Ça coûte combien?
Ça coûte 30 €.
These are some of the expressions and sentences that you will use during shopping for clothes. So I want you to look carefully at these expressions and then go to the next slide and try to put the dialogue that you'll find there in the correct order. So this is everything for today. I will not send any crown now. I just want you to review this video several times during the week to get ready and to practice with the activities that you can find in this video. And then starting from next week, I'm going to send you the crowns that you will have to do. Good luck. Au revoir.